Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we are diving into something that is shaking the trucking world to its core, the all-new 2026 Kenworth T2000, a machine that drivers are already calling a mansion on wheels. From the outside, this truck is bold, futuristic and powerful, but what really makes it a game-changer is what you'll find once you step inside. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 has been redesigned with luxury and technology at its heart. Imagine a truck that doesn't just move goods across highways, but also gives drivers the comfort of a high-end home. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by a fully digital cockpit, a massive curved display that puts navigation, performance data, and entertainment right at your fingertips. The steering wheel and controls are crafted with premium materials, and the ambient lighting makes the cabin feel more like a luxury car than a semi. But it doesn't stop there. Behind the driver's seat is where the magic really happens. The living space has been transformed into a suite. There's a spacious lounge with plush seating that converts into a comfortable sleeping area, perfect for those long hauls. The kitchen space is compact but fully functional, with a smart fridge, induction cooktop, and a sleek microwave oven. The bathroom area is more refined than ever before, with a modern shower, sink, and storage that rivals RVs. Everything is designed with space efficiency in mind, making life on the road easier and more luxurious than ever. The bedroom section is where drivers will truly feel the upgrade. A memory foam bed with premium bedding ensures restful nights. Smart climate control keeps the room at the perfect temperature, while blackout blinds guarantee complete privacy and peace. Add in a wall-mounted 4K smart TV, and you've got entertainment on demand no matter where you're parked. On top of comfort, the 2026 T2000 is built with intelligence, AI-powered driver assist systems, lane-keeping technology, adaptive cruise control, and real-time diagnostics give peace of mind on every journey. This is more than just a truck. It's a rolling smart mansion designed for the modern road warrior. Drivers are saying this is the future of trucking, a perfect blend of raw power and home-like comfort. With its cutting-edge design and unmatched luxury, the Kenworth T2000 2026 doesn't just redefine trucking, it redefines freedom. So buckle up, because the highway will never be the same again after this masterpiece.